Whoa, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa. I remember staring at the sky so high, drawing little dreams with the corners of my mind. People say a star is just too far, but I feel the truth burning in my heart. They say dreams are only in the night, just illusions hiding from the light. But a tiny flame started to grow. Now it's a fire everywhere I go. Every step I take, I feel it getting closer. Oh, every doubt I break, my spirit getting stronger. I'm chasing what I'm made of, running through the fear and doubt. Hear my heartbeat singing, don't stop now. I'm reaching for the sky above, turning every hope into something real. I and I becoming everything I feel. There were nights I almost let it go, voices in my head telling me stay low. But the dream kept knocking on my soul like a reggae drum calling me to grow. Every fall became a lesson learned, every scar a badge that I earned. On this road to something more, every little step opens up a door. Through the highs and lows, I'm learning who I am. Through the open doors, I walk the path I am. I'm chasing what I'm made of, running through the fear and doubt. Hear my heartbeat singing, don't stop now. I'm reaching for the sky above, turning every hope into something real. I and I becoming everything I feel. Yeah, dreams don't live in perfect days, they grow strong in the roughest ways. Every breath another try, every tear another climb. So I was born to rise and see how far this life can carry me. I'm chasing what I'm made of, lighting up the darkest of clouds. Now my voice is singing strong and loud. Whoa. I'm reaching for the sky